Good morning students. This is the second part for today's video in which we will learn to write letter T. Okay. So let's just begin. Open your book. But before writing letter T in book and copy, I wish to show you some examples to make letter T. Okay. See, I have two pencils here. Okay. One is the longer one and second one is smaller. So for making letter T, first of all, I will make the smaller pencil as sleeping line. Okay. And then I will place the longer pencil as standing line. See, this is letter T. This is letter T. Now I am gonna make letter T with the help of these pulses. Okay. By using these pulses, first of all, make sleeping line. Okay, first of all make sleeping line like this. It should be straight. See, this is the sleeping line. Now we will make a standing line. Take pulses again and arrange them as standing line. Okay, but make sure that is standing line from the center. Okay, मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन फ्रॉम दी सेंटर. स्लीपिंग लाइन के सेंटर से ही स्टैंडिंग लाइन होगी. ओके, सी आई हैव ऑल्सो मेड दिस स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड देन लेटर टी इज रेडी. तो यू कैन मेक लेटर टी बाय using anything, by using pulses, by using rice, by using sand, by using flour, whatever you have. Okay, so now we will learn to write letter T with the help of pencil. So students, open page number 11 in English workbook. Okay, and first of all place date here. Put number 27 5 and then 2020. Okay, this is a picture of a tree. You have learned to draw a tree in art and craft class now. Yes. So now we will write letter T. T for tree. So now just start tracing. First of all, trace sleeping line. Trace all the dots of sleeping line and then all the dots of standing line. Like this. T have traced. This is letter tree. And then trace this one. In these two lines you need to just trace. Okay, so you can trace all the lines. After that, in these two lines you can't trace. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all you will just join the sleeping line, join the dot to make a sleeping line. You will join both the dot to make a sleeping line. Okay, after that you will make a standing line from the center of the sleeping line and make sure the standing line should join this dot. Okay, it should touch the dot. Again, first of all make a sleeping line and from the center of the sleeping line make a standing line in such a way so that it can touch this bottom dot, letter T. I hope you all will be able to make it. So from first two line you will just trace. In these two lines you will join the dot and make letter T, and then in last two lines you have to write letter T. Okay, so just see how you will write. First of all you will make a sleeping line on this red line. Okay, on this red line you will make a sleeping line. Okay, and from the center of the sleeping line you will make a standing line, and standing line should go to this second blue line. Okay, so complete the whole page, write letter T in the whole page. Okay, in first two line you will trace. In these two lines you will join the dot and make letter T, and last two line you will write letter T, and make sure the letter T would be in 3 lines only. Okay, in upper 3 lines. You will not touch this place. Now we will learn how we will write letter T in English notebook. So take out your notebook and open it. Open a notebook, okay, and write date here. Today is 27, no? So write down 27-5-2020. Okay. Now write HW on the top. H dot W dot. HW means homework. Okay. Now just focus that how we are going to write letter T. First of all, see there are 4 lines now. So we will start from the first line, which is red in color. So first of all, we will make a sleeping line, okay, on red color, and then we will make a standing line from the center of the sleeping line like this. Make a standing line and then sleeping line. Do not touch the 4th line, okay? Your T letter should be complete in upper 3 lines only, okay? Again I'm gonna show you. First of all, make sleeping line on red line and then standing line from the center of the sleeping line. Yes, see, I have made 3 T's. How many T's? 1, 2, 3. 3 T's. So you will also make 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means 3 T in each lines. Okay, not more than this. So write letter T in the whole page. Okay, and remember all the pictures related with letter T. T for tiger, T for tomato, T for tree, T for toothbrush, T for tongue cleaner. What else? T for tap. Okay, so just all the things that related with letter T. Okay, meet you in the next video. Good day.